I found out it's actually the filter that is coming loose. That was easier than I thought. More for that. Alright, so we are back here, back in the garage. Yet again, it's cold outside. I had 16 minus this morning and together with a lot of wind, so that's quite heavy. It was a hard start for today. I have some issues with the timber wagon, so the plan was to drive it to a workshop so they could help us there. Below the tractor here now, with my screwdriver here it's a special screwdriver for hose clamps. So I'll try to tighten it and see if that works. Alright, so up here we have the hose clamps. The way they are turned right now, I am not able to access them from this direction, so we have to see how we can manage to get to them from the other side. Okay, so this is the hood. Now I'm inside the hood of the tractor here, and I found out it's actually the filter that is coming loose. So last time the tractor was on the service on the workshop, they didn't tighten the filter enough, so it says slowly loosen itself. And now when we tried to start it this morning, of course then the oil came out. No wonder. It could be the cold, but if the filter had been properly tightened, it shouldn't be the cold that make the filter come loose again. So now I just have to get down in here and tighten the filter properly. That was easier than I thought. More for that. Inside here is quite tight, so it's not easy access, and it makes most of the reparations harder. I managed to tighten the filter. I also will try to tighten the hose clamps, so I'm sure that there aren't any leak. And then the battery is still dead due to the cold. It doesn't work. Now in the winter I have ordered a new battery, but we haven't received it yet, so hopefully the battery will arrive soon, so then we can start using the tractor again. Yeah, it's not as bad as it looks. This stuff here, it's not from the mouse. Oh, the mouse have been eating this rubber thing here, and they put it in their dents so they have more isolation, and so they don't get that cold. It looks like dirt, but it's not. It's only rubber. The good thing now is we have cleaned up this wall here, so this is clear. Now we will remove the bench here, and we will put up another bench in the same area, quite bigger and also more stable, so that we have a better workbench here, and plan is to have this workbench as a station for the chainsaws, so that when I'm doing service on the maintenance on the chainsaws, I can stand here. This room is a little bit more heated than the room I have been using earlier, so this will be better here. Also the lighting is better, and yeah, it's more dry here, so we don't get that much rust on the chains. So, but now get rid of the garbage here, get rid of that bench there. This is just gonna be thrown away. It's really old, it's quite heavy, and as you can see, these aren't working as they should be, and also the way it's built up, it takes a lot of the room into the workshop here. So get rid of this and have a more clean wall there. Have to put up some paint, so that will be good. At least we now have removed all the stuff, so it's ready to go for stage 2.